In this tutorial, you will create a simple temperature converter tool using C# and WinForms. The tool will allow users to convert temperatures between Celsius, Fahrenheit, and Kelvin. The app includes input validation, a user-friendly design, and demonstrates fundamental concepts like ComboBox handling, mathematical calculations, and error handling in C#. This video should take around 7 to 10 minutes to explain and implement. Step 1 is designing the UI. Use the Windows Forms Designer to create a clean and minimalistic interface. We add the following components: a label and text box for the temperature input, 2 combo boxes for selecting the from and to units, a button for triggering the conversion, a label to display the converted result. In the form load event, we populate the combo boxes with the temperature unit options: Celsius, Fahrenheit, Kelvin. We implement the conversion logic in the button click event. I will explain after creation. The method is triggered when the user clicks the convert button. The very first step is input validation. We use double-try parse to check if the text entered in the text input text box can be successfully converted into a valid numeric value. If it can, the method proceeds with the conversion. Otherwise, it skips to the error message. Next, we retrieve the selected units for conversion from the 2 combo boxes, CMB from and CMB to. These values represent the from and to units for the temperature conversion. Now comes the main operation. We call the convert temperature method, passing in the input temperature, the from unit, and the to unit. This method handles the actual conversion based on the selected units. Once the conversion is complete, we format the result to 2 decimal places using result F2 and display it in the LBL result label. The result is also appended with the unit to make it clear to the user. Finally, if the input is invalid, for example, if the user enters non-numeric text, the method displays a warning message using message box show, prompting the user to enter a valid numeric value. This ensures the application handles both valid conversions and invalid inputs gracefully. The purpose of this method is to handle temperature conversions between Celsius, Fahrenheit, and Kelvin. First, we check if the from unit and to unit are the same. If they are, no conversion is needed, and the method simply returns the input temperature as it is. Next, the conversion logic begins. The method evaluates the from unit to determine the source unit of the temperature. If, for example, the from unit is Celsius, it checks the to unit. If the to unit is Fahrenheit, the formula temp 9(5 + 32) is applied to convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit. If the to unit is Kelvin, the formula temp plus 273.15 is used to convert from Celsius to Kelvin. This is done for all possible conversions. Finally, if none of these conditions match, meaning an invalid conversion was attempted, the method throws an invalid operation exception to indicate an error. This method is structured to handle all valid temperature conversions while providing an error mechanism for invalid cases. That's it for today's video. You've just built your own temperature converter in C# and WinForms. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun projects. See you next time. And don't forget to have fun.